What is poppin', YouTube? We're back with the video, man. I feel like I haven't recorded in like forever, but we're here, we're recording, we're gonna make a video. We're just gonna go cruise around, go to the beach probably, show you guys some scenery, some nice scenery here in San Diego. But yeah, this is the fit, all black with the white. We're gonna rock the black gloves, like these gloves, you know. But yeah, I don't expect myself doing too much crazy shit today. We're just gonna go cruise, you know, chill ride. But yeah, stay tuned for that. Yo, there are so many bikers here. I know you guys saw them at the red light. And they're all like brother bikers, you know? I definitely don't fit in with them, but I need a gas, so here I am.
I gotta keep the family going, so I went to a new route for you. The fruits and veggies are so fresh, and I gotta shout out Murray's Cheese. They gave me these perfect.
Boom, we just pulled up to one of my favorite spots actually here in like Carlsbad, Oceanside areas. Let me give you guys a closer look over there. I'm not sure how far the GoPro is picking up, but this is an amazing view over here, and I don't even know where, I don't know if this is Carlsbad or Encinitas or I don't know, but it's literally like in between San Diego and Oceanside. And it is amazing, man. Like, you come out here, just sit down, enjoy the view. I'm gonna take a video on my phone just so you guys can see what it actually looks like, because like, I don't think the GoPro does it justice, but let me take a video on my phone so you guys can see. But yeah, it looks like fucking insane. You can see like a ship way out there. I don't think the GoPro will pick that up, but there's a ship all the way out there. Yeah, it looks crazy, man. This is my favorite spot, one of my favorite spots to come just to enjoy the view. You know, go cruise for a little bit, enjoy the view, then go back home, you know. So yeah, I'll probably chill here for a little bit, and then we'll record when we start heading back home. So yeah, peace. Boom. That's the end of the video. We didn't do too much, you know, a couple shitty wheelies here and there. I really haven't had a chance to like practice them, like actually practice them, so they're still in the works, but they will get good eventually, you know. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. I keep saying I'm gonna try to be consistent, but I keep forgetting, or I just get too busy, you know, too much shit going on. But hey, there's a video today, so we're making some progress. Road to 1,000 subscribers on YouTube, road to 10K on TikTok. So yeah, you guys stay tuned, like, comment, subscribe, all that shit. Ready for a thumbnail? Boom. And I'll see you guys next video. Peace.